Hi, you're watching this video because you want to learn some tips and tricks on how to pass CMA exam. My name is George and I'm here to give you some of those tips. Number 1, project management. The CMA journey should be treated as a project from registration to preparation until the exam date, with very clear milestones, study plans, and desired outcomes for each step of that journey. What gets measured gets done. This will give you a very clear view of the progress you're making, as well as a chance to celebrate your successes along the way. Number 2, the conceptual framework. Now, the CMA exam covers a wide range of concepts and topics. Therefore, the theoretical and conceptual understanding of those topics is key in passing the CMA exam. If you find yourself struggling in any of those concepts or theories, go back to the basics, go back to the foundations, and make sure that you understand them rather than trying to memorize them. Number 3 is what I call a very powerful method of preparing not only for the CMA exam, but for any exam. And it's called pre-read, read, post-read, rinse, and repeat. So before attending the session, and you should be attending the sessions regularly and engaging with the instructors as much as you can. Before attending the session, read the topic and note down any questions you may have. Attend the session, and if any questions are left unanswered at the end of the session, raise them with the instructor. And then after the session, post-read the topic. This method cements your understanding of the concepts covered in that topic. Number 4, practice makes perfect. While understanding the concepts is key in passing the CMA exam, it's practice which complements this understanding. Now, there's no magic number for the number of exercises that you should solve for each part of the CMA exam, although some people quote between 2,000 and 2,500 questions for each part. The magic number, however, is the passing rate. Now, in the practice environment, you should aim for 85% or more of success. Now, in the practice environment should mimic to a high degree the real or live test environment, i.e. no distraction, it's timed, no phones, no social media. And this 85% will allow for a buffer for what we call a test anxiety. Number 5, the CMA is a career-changing designation. And therefore, it will require some changes, temporary changes to your lifestyle. And why is that? Because you need to dedicate a certain amount for studying, and that's often daily or weekly, between 10 to 15 hours a week. Because of the time dedicated for studying, this means that you have to give up some other activities temporarily. Your friends and your family support is key in this journey, so make sure that you get plenty of them. Finally, prepare well and good luck, although luck has nothing to do with it.